Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Homebrew, which is a very simple process. You can see in Chrome, I've gone to the website of brew.sh. When you go to the home page, all you have to do is scroll down a little bit, and you'll see this install Homebrew with this command right here. So all you're going to do is you're going to highlight that, copy it with Control-C, go over to your Windows terminal, and you can just paste it in, just like that, and run it. You'll be asked for the password that you created for this account. This is your Linux account, not your Windows account. So when you originally set up your user account in Linux, this is the password you created for that. It just goes through and shows you its progress as it's downloading software, checking out files. What Homebrew is, it's a package manager. So it's a way in the terminal to install software. Most of you are used to installing software by downloading some file from the internet and Chrome and then running it and getting this visual way of installing software. But software developers, when they're installing development tools, you're going to use these package managers to get things installed that you can use during software development projects.